Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi friends, I'm Nona Zulfa Makayla. In this video, I want to cook one of my favorite dishes, ayam kecap. This is one of the simple Japanese dishes, tasted sweet, savory, and is currently perfect to eat with warm rice. My goal is to make this dish so that friends can try recipes that are easy but still delicious, and currently make moment of eating with family even warmer and more special. This recipe needs ingredients that are really simple, so let's cook together. The tools we need to make ayam kecap. First, we need a frying pan. Second, we need a blender to blend the spices. Third, we need a serving plate. Then, we need a spatula and knife. And last but not least, we need a stove. The ingredients we need to make ayam kecap. First, we need 8 red onion, 5 garlic, and 1 lemongrass that has been crushed. Second, we need half tablespoon salt. Third, we need oil for stir frying. Fourth, we need soy sauce. We also need to bay leaf, and the most important thing is the chicken, which has been cut and cleaned. And the last is half tablespoon ground pepper. Those are all the tools and ingredients we need to make ayam kecap. Next, we will enter the step of cooking ayam kecap. The first step is to prepare the chicken that has been cut and cleaned. Add half per teaspoon salt so that the chicken is not fishy. You can also add lime too. After adding salt, stir well. Blend red onion and garlic in a blender until smooth. Prepare a frying pan and add the oil. When the oil is already hot, add the peeled onions and the bay leaf and wait until fragrance. Add 1 lemongrass stalk that has been crushed. Then add half per teaspoon ground pepper. Then stir again so that the marinade is evenly distributed. After everything is evenly mixed, add the chicken one by one. Stir again so that the chicken and marinade blend together. After that, add water until all parts of the chicken are submerged. Cook over medium heat until the chicken is tender and the spices are absorbed. Add soy sauce to your taste and mix well again. Add sugar and salt to your taste and stir again. If the chicken is tender and the seasoning is right, serve it on a serving plate. Add green chili for garnish on top of the chicken and you're done. You can serve this ayam kecap menu with warm rice and vegetables. This is a simple recipe for sweet, savory, and spice-rich ayam kecap. With easy-to-find ingredients and practical steps, you can serve a delicious dish to your beloved family at home. Good luck and don't hesitate to be creative in adjusting the flavors to your taste. Bye guys!